Hi, my name is Nicolas Marcoux. I'm MSSP architect at Palo Alto Networks, and today I'm going to demonstrate ZTP. So ZTP is not a new feature of Prisma SD WAN, but actually I'm having recurrent asks from customers to better understand the solution, and that's what I'm going to show today. And in addition, I would like to showcase that not only we will ZTP the vION device, but we will also automatically hook it up to Prisma Access. So in our tenant, we both have Prisma SD WAN and Prisma Access at the same time. So here we see we have 3 sites, and we are going to ZTP a 4th site. So if we look about the devices, we have 3 of them here, and we have one of them in unclaimed that is waiting to be ZTP. So it's a factory default vION, just called home the controller. If I look at Prisma Access and remote network, we have for now 3 remote network, and magically and automatically a 4th one will be created. Okay, so let me go back to the device here, unclaimed, and we are going to trigger the ZTP process. So for the ZTP process, we use the Prisma SASE SDK, and in the backend is going to automate everything. So with a single command, we are going to really ZTP onboard configure everything without any extra configuration via ends. So let me kick this in. And what I will do is that I will explain through the process. And at some point, I will cut the video because it will take between 10 and 15 minutes. And I will show the outcome and the final result. So let me start it. So the process is started. So the SDK is reading a file that I will explain a bit later. So now the site is created, creating some interfaces, trying to claim the machine. So the begin claim process started. So we are seeing the exact same serial number that we have noticed. Is noticing that the software upgrade is not correct. So what is going to happen now is that it's going to automatically download the version on the vION, upgrade the vION, and then it will continue to ZTP the device. So while it's being upgraded, let's have a look about the YAML file. So the SDK is calling this file. So how this file is constructed, actually the philosophy is that we recommend the users to create a few templates of devices with the user interface. And the reason is that there are many options, many things to do. So it's easier to do it with the user interface. And then what we do with the SDK is we get a site, we will retrieve the full configuration. And then what we can do is use Jinja2 to templatize it and pull in variables for real life and massive deployment. So in this case, I already pre-populated the variable I wanted to change. And for instance, I've updated the new serial number of the ZTP of the vION that we are onboarding. Okay, so, and we see the software version that we want, which is 601, while the vION was running a 5 something. So that's why it's being upgraded. So let me go back now to the screen, and we will wait for the upgrade to complete. So now we see that the upgrade is complete. It could check that the right version now is matching the target version. So it will continue the process to ZTP. Okay, so now that's the end of the process. We see that it's done, so it's successful. Okay, let's check now on the UI. So we see the site now is available, all is green. So if we go to overlay and for standard VPN representing Prisma Access, it's all green, so it's connected to the Prisma Access anchor point in Canada West. We can verify the same in remote networks. So remote networks, we now have a fourth remote network connection. All is configured, sync, it's BGP based. So everything has been configured seamlessly and automatically via CloudBlade for the attachment to Prisma Access. So that's the end of the demo. I hope you enjoyed. And again, this was a full ZTP via a single command in order to configure everything. Thank you. Bye-bye.